Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Okay, I know I haven't been filming for a while, but I'm going to show you something a little bit today. So I did tell you in my last video how I joined Younique, and I kind of wanted to show you how to use one of their products, and I realized that I did not bring a mirror with me to do this. So, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I have a mirror now. Alright, so I want to show you guys how to use one of our products. And it's one of our lash products, okay? So I'm going to show you today how to use the Younique Moodstruck 3D fiber lashes. Yes. So, yes, as I said, I'm going to teach you today how to use these. And when you pull them out, they look like this little pouch here. And it comes with a snap, so it snaps open. And you get two products, okay? You get this tube right here, which is the Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lashes Transplanting Gel. Notice that there's a little window right here. It lets you know how much you have, because you can see inside the tube for that. And then the other tube, a little smaller, also doesn't want to come out, looks like this. Again, it's a little smaller. These are the Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lashes. So it's the 3D fibers are in here. Again, you have a little window so you can see how much you have left. Now I'm going to show you the look of the tube, like the applicators inside the tubes. So this is the transplanting gel tube, or not tube, but like applicator. So that's what this one looks like. And you're going to want to almost scrape some of that transplanting gel off because you don't need to soak your lashes. But if you're a soaker, it's up to you. These are the lashes, or not the lashes, but the fibers, like I said. And they come out, meaning they have the fuzziest thing you've ever seen, or almost the fuzziest thing you've ever seen. You are going to want to scrape off some of the fibers. You can either do it on the back of your hand, or you can do what I do and you scrape it back into the tube. Either way, it's up to you. So, let's get down to business. I'm going to zoom you in to both eyes and you'll get to see a comparison. So, I will be looking down into my mirror, but I will be showing you and demonstrating how to do it. So, here we go, very close into my face. I am looking in the viewfinder just to make sure that everything is level. So you can see both eyes, like eyelashes, are clearly naked. They don't have anything on them right now. So, and ignore my brows. I will hopefully get those done soon. But yeah, they're naked. There's nothing on them right now. And I'll go ahead and I'll do an eye comparison in a minute, like after I do this. So here is how you do it. You take the transplant gel. So you take it out of this. Now again, I sort of scrape off some of the gel because it's a little excessive. So here we go. I'm going to show you here so you get to see how it looks. And you do not need an eyelash curler with this. It's just up to you what you want to do. So here we go. I'm going to go in with my right eye. And I move all of my lashes that way so I get an even coating on all of it. And you're going to want to do these one eye at a time because things can dry really fast. So already there's a big difference. Now we're going to go into the fibers. And like I said, you can either put it on the back of your hand or back in the tube, whichever works best for you. Just remember that this is a little messy. So here are the fibers. Now I don't comb the fibers through much. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. So I just sort of touch them and shove it in just a little bit. Okay, woo! I do not apply these to the bottom lashes, but you can already see a big difference. And you can go in twice with this. So I'm going to go in with the transplant gel again. Again, scrape off some of that excess and go in again. And this is just to set everything in place. But look at that. Just that nice little eye action there compared to nothing on my eyelids. So, or eyelashes. Anyway, so I'm going to recoat this with more transplant gel onto my other eye. And again, I go in to really coat all of the lashes as thoroughly as I can. Okay, so there's that. Put the lid back on the gel. Fibers again. Scraping off the excess and going in. So you see how like crazy long they get, and you can double your coating, which is what I'll do on this eye, as well as I'll redo it. You can double this up. So going for the transplant gel again to really set your lashes. Okay, so the eyelashes look a bit more, they look a bit more defined. So this is definitely a strong eye. What I'm going to do is redo it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I did just close this, the transplant gel, and that's going to give it an even coating. So bring it back out and do it again. And you can really super saturate these if you want to. Okay, I like how that's standing out right now. So I'm going to put that back together, go back into the fiber, scrape off the excess, and here we go. Okay. So it's definitely enhancing. Going back into the transplant gel. And I can see that some transferred onto my lids, that's okay. So going back in with that gel and just sort of wiggling them a little bit, but boom. You have some bomb eyelashes with that one. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same because we want to be fair to both lashes, obviously. So, and you can keep doing this until you are satisfied with the look of your lashes. Okay, I'm going to go into the fibers once more. So move this, and obviously you know by now, scrape the excess. I know this is a process and you're just like, ugh, I'd want to just put the falsies on, but these actually will, I think, last a little longer. Now, I've never worn falsies, so I can't really fairly say anything about that. So there we go. There's another good coat. And one last fiber gel coat. Scraping off that excess. And just letting... Alright, so now this is what they look like. Now I would obviously put on some bottom mascara of another kind, but you can see that there's a big difference from when they started. So that, ladies and gents, is how you use the 3D Fiber Lashes Moodstruck by Younique. Definitely loving them. I love them so much. And it's easy to use. Yes, it is a process to get your desired effect, but it's worth it in the end, right? So definitely look into these. Look into this set. I will actually leave my website down below in the description box, so if you want to go check them out for yourself, you can go ahead and do that. But this is what we're going to do for today, for today's live video. I'm going to try to be on every other day, but I can't guarantee anything, so I'm not making any promises, but I hope I'll be doing that. But definitely, yes. I mean, you can tell that they're done even from far away. So that's really cool. I'm going to go ahead, let y'all go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.